It's a great day at Western GMC Buick, located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Rd in Edmonton. Today we're looking at the 2021 Buick Enclave Premium. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Enclave. On the driver's door, power locks, power windows, power adjustable mirrors, power folding mirrors, the programmable memory seat, auto express window, and the child lock button. Down below we've got the power liftgate button, and you'll notice this Enclave comes with a premium Bose sound system. Here we have the power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, leather interior, and a power sunroof up above. We've got a telescopic steering wheel. Next I'll climb in and we'll take a look at that steering wheel. On the left side are the cruise control buttons with forward collision alert and a heated steering wheel button. On the right side we've got the audio buttons. This is our digital dash. We're able to scroll through the dash by using the arrow buttons located on the steering wheel. Up above, the programmable garage door opener, power sunroof buttons, and OnStar. This is Buick's Infotainment Center, equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This screen displays the outside temperature, the time. It's a touch screen, and it's also equipped with navigation. And it doubles as our backup camera. We're able to turn that guidance off or back on. To the left of the screen is traction control and all-wheel drive, and to the right we have the hazard lights, park assist, and lane departure alert. Down below we have the push start button, dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, heated and cooled front leather seats, and here we have some USB and auxiliary plug-ins. At the front of the Enclave we've got fog lights, 20-inch aluminum wheels, a 3.6-liter V6 engine under the hood. The side mirrors have side blind zone alert as well as the turn signal indicator. Rear tinted windows. The door handles have intelligent access, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push the silver button to lock or unlock the doors. At the back we've got the rear window wiper and the power liftgate. We're going to pop that liftgate open using the key fob, pushing the button twice. In the trunk we've got lots of storage space, cargo hooks, the buttons to fold that third row seating down, and a power plug-in. Next we'll take a look inside the back of this 7-passenger crossover. On the passenger door we've got power windows and a cup holder. The backs of both front seats have got leather seat pockets. On the back of the center console we've got the rear climate control buttons, heated rear seats, some USB and power plug-ins. To gain access to the third row, take the center aisle or pull the levers located on the side of the seat. We've got a rear sunroof, and in the back we've got 3 additional seats, some cup holders, and USB plug-ins on either side. So come take a look at the 2021 Buick Enclave Premium today, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.